guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create your own Thinglink account. So first off, you need to go to thinglink.com. It's going to bring you into this page, and you want to go to the upper right hand corner where it says log in. You're going to be creating a new account for yourself using your district email and password. I already have an account for one of my email addresses, but I'm going to create a new one. So you go down here and click on the sign up for free. And go ahead and put in your email address and your password. You can also go through the Google option and just go directly from your email and use that password so you don't forget. I clicked on create account. Now it's going to get me to this page. And there's a few different options: editorial marketing, classroom learning, and e-learning, corporate training. You want to choose the classroom learning option. Select that. And go ahead and put in your name. And this is the part that you need to pay close attention to. When it asks you for your role, you need to pick teacher. I know you're not the teacher. Normally you would pick the student, but if you pick the teacher option, it's a free service. If you do student, then it charges you. Okay, so just go ahead and pick the teacher. Put in your school name, Thinglink. And we are Miami City School District. So go ahead and put in that information. And it is technically an elementary, K-8. And subject, you want to pick English. It really doesn't matter, but you're going to be using this for ELA. And then go ahead and uncheck the subscribe to newsletter, because you're just going to get more junk mail in your box. So once you have all that, go ahead and click on get started. Okay, so now your account is all set, and you can go ahead and do this part of it. It's going to walk you through it and show you how to use it. I'm actually going to add another video after this to show you, once you're in, how you use the program. So that is it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Go ahead and email me.